Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the if function to format your data and put condition on your data and also figure out what really matters to you. But the first thing I'm going to do is to apply a table to this data. So every time you update your data, it is automatically updated. So you highlight the data like so, and then you go to insert and then you put table. It's going to select the data array for you, right? So click OK. Now we have the table. Now look at this. If I update this, let's say I put Mary here and I hit the enter key, automatically Mary is added to the table. All right. So I'm going to give Mary a grade. Let's say Mary scores 85. So we're going to apply the if function right here. Remember, when you want to apply any function or formula in Excel, the first thing you do is to pull up your equal sign. So I'm going to pull up my equal sign. And then I type the if function. It's going to give me an option in the drop down. I'm going to select what I want. The first thing is the logical test. That what do I want to find? So I click on what I want and I say if this is greater than 70 and I put a comma, then I put pass. That's the criteria, right? Remember to use the quotation that is right. So I'm going to put the right one. Okay. And then what if it is less than 70? What is the next value? If it's not true, if it is false. We said if it is this, then it's true. What is it going to be if it is false? And then it's going to be fail. So if it's not greater than 70, then it's fail. Then you close the parentheses and hit enter. And this happens because I have already populated this before and automatically it filled up. But in another case, it's just going to fill up the first one. And what you need to do is to copy it down, just right click and copy everything all the way down. Now, I was saying that we added the table is because if we want to add another student to this table, automatically it's going to fill it up for us. Let's say we want to put John and then we put John's grade and then we said John actually got 50. The reason why you're saying fail is because there's no value there. Once we put value, it's going to change it to whatever it should be. So let's say I put 90, it's going to change to pass because the criteria is if it is greater than 70, then pass. What if Mary scored 45? It's going to change. And the more we keep adding value to this, let's say we put Alex here, and then we say that Alex scores 80. That's going to change automatically. So that's how to use the if function to apply to your data. Again, let's say we want to figure out how many people passed and how many people failed. Use the drop down arrow. And once that opens up for you, you're going to see the option. So select whatever you want. Let's say we want to find the people that failed. We click on that and click OK. So we know it's only 4 people that failed. And we can see their names and their grades. Let's see again how many people passed this exam. We see the number of people that passed and their grades. So this is how to use the if function to put condition on your data and also filter what matters to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.